Hello everybody and welcome back to another vending video at Gumball Machine Warehouse, where the customer service is so sweet you'll need a trip to the dentist. Today we're going to show you how to adjust the candy wheel on your Rhino Vending all-metal triple vending machine. First things, you're going to need your Phillips head screwdriver, the keys to your machine, and your machine itself. Now the first step, you just unlock your machine. And you take out one of these dividers. Just set that off to the side. Just have to take out these 3 fastening screws here. That'll loosen up the brush plate for your candy. Once you have those 3 screws out, you have loosened up your brush plate. Just set that off to the side. Now you have the base part of your candy wheel. You can see here it has this low propeller piece. And that will sit inside of notches. The farther you go to the right, the less candy you're going to dispense. So you just set it to whatever amount you would like. Place it back in with the brush plate over top. And you reinstall your fastening screws. You just want to make sure your brush plate has the words front right here, facing the front of the machine. And now you're going to want to secure down your fastening screws. This will keep your brush plate from moving around during dispensing. Alright, now that your candy wheel is secured in, just want to take your divider, slide that back into your machine. Make sure that goes all the way down. Flip your lid shut, lock your machine, and you are all set. Thanks for watching Gumball Machine Warehouse, and happy vending.